First, open the Settings app. Then go to the app that is causing the problem.
Scroll down and find the Google App Services. Tap on it, and then
Tap Storage. Now tap Clear Data. Then tap Delete or Clear All Data to confirm. After that, go back to the main apps screen. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Reset App Preferences. You will see a message explaining what will be reset. No apps, personal data, or files will be deleted. Now tap Reset to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. Once the reset is finished, go back to the home screen and check if the issue has been fixed. That's it! This is how you can reset app preferences on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.